What if I told you that one banana could transform your plants in just 5 days? Let's see the magic for ourselves. Bananas aren't just a healthy snack for us. They're a powerhouse of nutrients for your plants too. Today, I'm going to show you how adding a banana to your garden can supercharge plant growth, make leaves greener, and boost flowering in less than a week. How to use it. 1-inch pick the plant you want to give an extra boost. Vegetables, flowers, or even fruit trees all love this trick. 2. Dig a small hole 3 to 4 inches deep, a few inches away from the plant's base, and place the banana inside. Cover it back with soil. 3-inch, you can either bury the whole banana or cut it into pieces to help it decompose faster. Cutting it up also releases the nutrients quicker. For inch, give the area a good watering so the nutrients start breaking down into the soil right away.